Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very delicious chicken starter recipe which is honey garlic chicken wings which will taste just like restaurant style. So friends, let's get started with the making process. So here are the chicken wings and now we need to marinate them. So here goes 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Now mix all the ingredients well so that they coat well over the chicken wings, and we will let them rest for at least half an hour. Next, we'll prepare the dry coating to coat the chicken wings. For that, take a bowl and add 1 cup of refined flour or Maida and 1/3 cup of corn flour. For seasoning, I will add half teaspoon of salt or as per taste and half teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix this well. Now take the marinated chicken wings and with dry hands coat the flour mixture really well over the chicken wings. And in the same way, I will coat all the chicken wings. So in this way, we need to coat them. And now time to fry them. I have already heated sufficient oil in a pot. And when the oil is hot, we will add the coated chicken wings one by one and fry them until they are crisp and deep golden brown. And by now the chicken wings are fried deep golden brown from all the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And in the same way I will fry the rest of the chicken wings. So here are the crispy fried chicken wings. And now we need to prepare the sauce to coat them. For that, take a bowl and into it goes half cup of tomato ketchup. Then goes 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next goes 1/4 cup of Schezwan sauce. You can also add red chili sauce. Then goes 1/3 cup of honey. Some salt for seasoning and half teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix all the ingredients well. And our sweet and spicy sauce is ready. Next, heat a pan and add around 1/2 teaspoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. The quantity of garlic should be more in this recipe. Saute the garlic until they turn golden brown. Now add the sweet and spicy sauce which we had prepared. Mix this sauce well along with the garlic. And once the sauce slightly thickens, we'll add the crispy fried chicken wings and coat them well with the sauce. And we will let the chicken wings simmer in this sauce for just few seconds. And before turning off the flame, I will sprinkle few white sesame seeds and garnish with some spring onions. That's it. Our honey garlic chicken wings is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our sweet and spicy crispy fried honey garlic chicken wings in the serving plate. Enjoy this yummy chicken recipe as a starter or as a side dish. I will drizzle some of the sauce over the chicken wings and garnish with some more spring onions and white sesame seeds on top. And here it goes. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken wings recipe very soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.